ready. So I came to my friend's home.
चला सीढ़ी में बैठेंगे, सीढ़ी में बैठ के।
गुड मॉर्निंग। अभी क्योंकि भिलाई के लोग ज्यादा है इसलिए गुड मॉर्निंग भिलाई।
इंतजार और शुरू करेंगे हम अपना वॉक।
जाएंगे रेल चौक से साली रोड टर्न पॉइंट
इससे गुजारिश करते हैं कि मेन स्टेज पर
5 किलोमीटर भाग रहे हो आप। हेलो
हमारे जो सम्मानीय ईडीज हैं उनसे गुजारिश है मेन स्टेज की तरफ आ जाए। जो फ्लैग
Let's go. Ready? Hey, hey. 8, 7, louder. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, go.
कॉमन है ना आर यू ready?
चल
मैं अकेला खाऊंगा लेकिन इसको मेरे को भूख लगी अरे तेरी
काटा पिन है तेरे पास, खोल ले।
तो कृपया इसको घर पे यूज ना करें क्योंकि घर बहुत छोटा है आपका। तो ये काटे पिन से अपन अनबॉक्सिंग कर रहे हैं छेड़ा मार मार के, लेकिन कुड़िया को छेड़ा नहीं मारते इस काटे पिन से, बहुत टाइट है यार। तो कृपया ध्यान रखें काटा मारने से पहले, छेदा मारने से पहले आपका चॉकलेट क्या क्या है भाई। और रे बाप रे ओ माय गॉड
अब राहुल ब्रेड का गांड फाड़ते हुए,
किसी और की नहीं फाड़ सकता इसलिए ब्रेड की
हाँ इसलिए तो वो ब्रेड की फाड़ रहा है। भाई फट गया, फट गया, क्लोजअप में दिखाइए, फट गया ब्रेड का।
फाड़ते हैं।
देख सकते हैं इधर चल रहा है और इधर ये अब ये फाड़ दिया है। अबे चिपचिपा डाल दी रे, ये देखो।
चलो ठीक है।
हाँ ठीक है खाना।
क्रीम नहीं है
तो तेरे क्या लगा?
Hi audience, and I just came from marathon and So many things was happen. I just want to share it. Okay, what will happen? So amazing experience was when I came from that particular place. I feel that I wanted to go outside and go outside more and travel a lot. I really like, because my personality was like a bubbly personality. Okay, I can talk to anyone. I can do whatever I want to do. I'm like a free bird. But one problem is this कि I have not a good face. My forehead was big. जब मैं हंसता हूँ, when I smile, the teeth look like this. I wanted to improve that particular thing, but everything was good. My personality was really good from inside. When I portray anything, it should look good. But I don't look good actually. Look good, okay? When I portray my person, मतलब I'm natural, raw, real. So hi raw or raw. So hi raw audience, and I just want to express what just happened in marathon. First, two things I wanted to share. Really want to share what actually happened on that day. That really feel me so good. Okay. First of all, when I was running marathon, one girl was also running and one uncle inside me, and the uncle was telling me, telling the girl, okay, run, you can do it, you can do it. I am also telling that you can do it, you can do it. But sometimes later the girl stopped, and I was running and go back to check her what was happening, and then I left. Okay, you wanted and find a new group. Find a new group. I realized that every person have running their own race. Running has own speed. Okay. So two things that happen. Every runner has his own stamina and his own willpower. Due to this, he can stop or not run very well. And I can left that person and go away. If I stop, that means what I have actually at that particular time, I am wasting my time. And when I go forward, you can find more people who are actually worth it for you, and you can find our tribes or people when you run. He have to, if I stop and he was, मेरे को छोड़ के मत जा, मेरे को छोड़ के मत जाना please, then you feel like he was dependent on you. In that particular time, he wanted to work on himself. He wanted to be with himself, what he is feeling. If I am stopping because of some other person, that's my stupidity, no? It's look like I am selfish or some kind of you don't want to. I'm check, okay, you had stop and take a rest, and then you can run. Okay. But if I stop because I want this person to be free and I want to take care and don't stop running my own race because of her or someone, then I am stupid actually, because I am not running, I am stopping and waiting, okay, what happened. And he was not healing because he was thinking, okay, someone was there, he can take care of me, he won't do help me. But I am not helping myself, I am not running my own race. He wanted to run his own race. So I completed my race in 1 hour and 06% in 10-kilometer race. Then we get medal. If any person run 10 kilometers, they give us medal. When I completed my race, I was so aggressive at that time. I pick up my bottle and डाल दिया कल में, and I feel so good because I completed 10 kilometers in my life. I never run 10 kilometers in my whole life. Ooh, it was mesmerizing for me. Okay, I can did it. I actually did it. My expectation was, oh, I can't run 10 kilometers, but I can do it. I'm so aggressive. Oh, my confidence really increased. Actually increased. I don't need this medal. I wanted to. Then I wear the medal. Okay, I win this medal. Okay, and I meet a one person who need medal because so people. Okay, but I don't need medal because I know I feel more better than this medal. If this medal make me feel good, the when I run na, when I run the race, that actually feel me so good, damn good, more than this medal. Wow, I know when I win this medal, I can give, I can show my mom and dad, oh mom, show this medal, I can win it. But sometime later the medal goes away in particular place, huh? In particular place and gone. And actually when I was running, I gave the medal to one person, because 5 kilometer, when someone complete 5 kilometer, there is no medal. Actually do actually they don't have, they don't give the medal to 5 kilometer who run 5 kilometers. That's why when I was talking to one person, I give the medal to her, put it to yourself. I don't need from me, I don't need medal because I feel better when I play, when I run, more than this medal. That's why I don't need medal actually. But some people give their own opinion, their own thoughts about some medal. But my opinion was, if I win the, I run and actually satisfy. I don't know what I feel when I run and completed the. I was so feel good. I was so aggressive. I was using a lot of bad words. Okay, Or- for due to my own good feeling. I was using a lot of aggressive words, not in my own head. And when I feel good, no, there also a confidence, also always the aura. Wow, this this is a true story I really wanted to share. Not because you can praise me what I did, I actually feel and do at that particular time. That's why I wanted to share with you, because I want the people actually connect with me, who I am actually. I was really thinking if I share this particular thing. I don't want to share this particular thing, but I really want to share because people will I want people actually will connect with me by this story or this thing. I don't want people will connect with me with different thing or different type of things. I I get a lot when I post in my, when I post in my WhatsApp, no, with medal, everyone is liking it, huh? But know I know I don't deserve this medal because I don't matlab, I don't get the first prize and second prize and third prize. Everyone thinking, okay, you get the first or second or third prize, but I can completed the race. That's why I get this medal. No problem. I feel good when I run. I was actually very satisfied when I completed the race. I'm not very satisfied with what I get the attention from my friends actually. Good, that's all today. See you again.